Welcome to DeFi Crypto Today. Our topic today is MetaversePro. Yet another home fork, but this time it's on Binance Smart Chain. It's relatively new, and as you can see, they don't have a very big treasury yet. It's quite small, as a matter of fact. The APY is pretty high, but with a very low treasury like this, I don't know how long it's going to last. So hopefully it's going to work, and they're going to have more people on it, but they're not very big yet. So if we look inside, we get a very familiar interface that we're used to, and you can look at the dashboard. Dashboard has quite a bit of information that's useful. We can see the treasury here. That's the rebase, went up and down quite a bit, and the runway is not very big. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see that. See, the rebase went down a bit, but they've been around not very long. So although it says 362 days, which is almost a year, with only $685,000 in the treasury, I'm not yet impressed. But it looks okay in terms of the interface. They do provide information that's missing on other forks, so that's good enough. If we look inside the documentation, they talk about the metaverse thing a lot. So it looks like they want to use this to fund projects that are related to the metaverse. I don't know, and they don't seem to be very clear on that themselves right now, according to this. See, it says, what is the metaverse? A virtual world, a game, digital revolution? We're still searching for a tangible answer to that question. So they're still looking for an answer. I don't know. Like, I don't know if they're using just the word metaverse because it's a buzzword right now because of Facebook that became Meta and whatnot. Who knows, right? Like, I like to look at the team. The problem is they talk about having 10 team members from all over the world, but they don't give them. We don't know who they are. You know, they all say, "Oh yeah, they have extensive blockchain experience." Sure, my dog has extensive blockchain experience too. Okay, who are these blockchain experience people? Okay, at least give us, their Twitter address so we can see what they're about or whatever. If they want to stay anonymous, that's fine. But what other projects did they work on? Okay, tell us about it. Don't just tell us they have extensive blockchain experience. Anybody and his mother has extensive blockchain experience. That means nothing. Okay. Tell us, okay, this guy worked on this protocol and that protocol, and this girl worked on that protocol, and so on. Okay, and these are their Twitter addresses, and you can, check them out. Right? Give us something. This is not useful. Okay. Of course, they're not audited. Who is? They always give us the same story that their fork of Ohm got audited a couple of times, so we're inheriting the audit from Ohm and so on. Yeah, right. Okay, first of all, you have to move from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain, so you have to edit the code. Okay, you cannot just copy paste and everything works by magic. Okay, you need to make some modifications to make it work on the Binance Smart Chain, which is a little bit different from the Ethereum chain, right? So you could introduce bugs here and there. How do we know, right? Until there's an audit. So right now it doesn't seem to be see, they're waiting for abnormalities to be found before asking for an audit. Usually it's the other way around, right? It's like, you know, when you fly a plane, right? You check the plane first before, you know, you have some tech guys checking that everything is in working order before flying the damn thing. Okay, you don't call the tech guy after you're flying and says, hey, the left engine stopped working, what do we do? Right? Anyway, they put the horse, you know, behind the buggy. I don't know. They're weird. But a lot of devs are like that, unfortunately. A lot of devs are like that. All right, so they have a Discord where they talk about multi-sig wallet for their IDO that they just had. The IDO is finished already. So if you check in their documentation, they have the link for this. I lost it. Oh, this one. Okay, so all right. So this is an official from the group, and in their guild announcement, they say, just to clear any doubt, hereby I hereby announce the following: all IDO funds will be secured with a multi-sig wallet with this address. Okay, that's nice. Who's on that multi-sig, right? So right now we don't know anything, okay? And they say that there's a multi-sig address, okay? We have to look it up, okay, on BSC scan or something, and then we have to figure out if how many people are on that multi-sig and all that jazz. They could be a little bit more forthcoming with information and tell us, okay, we have 3 people on the multi-sig, 5 people on the multi-sig, 25 people on the multi-sig, whatever. Okay? This is DeFi, decentralized crypto. You need transparency. Okay? All right, the website is fairly transparent. It provides a lot of data, but when it comes to this, okay, you need to be more forthcoming with details. You need to say, okay, we have like these 5 people. It takes 3 out of 5 to take the funds out of the wallet and all that jazz. Okay, and you know, you can give the Twitter address of those people, something. Give us something. Okay, right now it's like, okay, maybe we trust this guy, maybe not. You know what I mean? We need to have more concrete proof that these guys are not going to take our money. Okay? They have not convinced me entirely yet. Are they going to perform a rug pull? I don't know. Okay? It's hard to tell. There's partial information. Okay? With partial information, I can only make a partial guess about what's going to happen. Now, even if they don't rug pull on us, right now the project is not amazingly successful with only $685,000 in the Treasury. It's a young protocol. It might take off, but they're going to need a lot better marketing than this. Okay? They only have about 3,000 people on their Discord. And if we look here, same thing on Twitter, only 3,000 people. That's not a lot. That's not a lot. You need at least 5 times more if you want to have a successful project. Okay, from my experience, from what I've seen on other projects. So it's a little bit, Also, they're not listed on CoinGecko yet, as far as I know. But they're listed on CoinmarketCap, and there's, well, they couldn't find any data on the token. So it's very early, very, very, very early. And thus very, very risky. Okay? So be very careful before you decide to put your money into something like this. Okay? Even if they don't rug pull, they might be successful or not. We don't know yet. It's very early in the game. All right, that's it for this review. If you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Download the free book. And if you don't want a free book, well, go to Amazon and pay $5.99 to Jeff Bezos. He's going to give me $1 later. See you.